Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a pecan pie. You're going to love it. The best pecan pie you ever had. Ready? Let's go. We're going to do the crust. Cup and a half of flour. Use a measure cup. Cup and a half. This is about a half. I'm going to use unsalted stick and a half of butter. You can use margarine, unsalted. You can do it in a food processor, but I'm going to do it by hands. Crumbs up. It's a little soft, it's good to use it, easy. Get crumbs a little bit. Put a little bit of salt, like a quarter teaspoon, not too much. One teaspoon of sugar. Just a little. Okay, what we're going to put to get the dough together is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to keep the crust crunchy. The next 2-3 days, 4 days. I'm going to mix it up with 1 tablespoon of water. I have water here already, so 1 tablespoon is enough. If you need more water to get the dough together, put just very little, maybe a teaspoon. But right now it looks very good. Knead the dough good enough. All together. Here you go. Press it down to the pie dish. Not too much. It's good enough. The pie dish, press it down. If it's a little sticky, just use a little bit of flour on top so it's not going to stick to your fingers. Just a little. Get it up, all the way up, press. Try to make it even. Looks good. More up. Still some dough to some areas you don't have enough. There you go. I'm going to show you push a little more up, a little flour to my fingers, and show you how to make this pretty. Just use your finger, it's very easy to make it. more flour a little bit so it won't get sticky. Here you go, you got the dough, the crust ready. And now we're gonna make the filling. You don't bake it before. Just put it aside. We're gonna make the filling. We're gonna make the filling, the pie filling. Listen carefully, you have to do exactly the amount that I say. You have to use your measure cup. Okay, I have a pecan here, 1.5 cups. Pecan. You just put it in a Ziploc. And you crush it a little bit. Not too small, not too big. You'll see, I'll show you the size. Oven to 350. Turn the oven 350. Even 355, it's okay. 355, it's good. Okay. How about this? That's not too thick, not too thin, don't ground it. Just a small pieces. Okay, we're gonna start with 3 eggs. Medium, large, medium or large. It's okay, 3 eggs. Okay. It's a whisk. Use a whisk. Half stick of unsalted soft butter. Has to be very soft. Very soft. Okay, here you go. Break it a little bit. Half a stick butter. 3/4 cup. Sorry. 3/4 cup of corn syrup, 3/4. Measure exactly 3/4 cup. Dark corn syrup. Make sure it's dark. That'll give the whole good flavor. Here you go. 3/4 cup. 2/3 a cup of brown sugar. Just use the same amount that I'm saying. 2/3. It's very important. The regular brown sugar, not dark. I think that's the light one. Just a light brown sugar. Yeah. 2/3. Teeny more. 2/3. Okay. Put it here. Try to break the butter. It's good. The butter's gonna melt. Don't worry while it's baking. At least. I like to use the vanilla sugar. If you don't have, you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. vanilla. It's okay, it should look like that. Don't worry about the butter, it's okay. And the last thing is the pecan, cup and a half. It smells so good. Good enough. Take the pie crust, put the mix, bake it between like 45 minutes to 50 minutes, you'll see, until the pecan on top gets brown and the crust get brown, not too dark. I'll show it to you after 45 to 50 minutes. You're gonna love it. It's the best pecan pie you ever had. Here you go. Now it goes to the oven. We're gonna show you later how does it look like and how long to bake it, 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, good luck in the oven. After 50 minutes, the pecan pie should look like that. Not overcooked, not too much. 355, 50 minutes, 50. Let it cool off and enjoy and cut it and enjoy it. See you next time. Thank you for watching.